Good morning, dear children. So, dear children, today we are moving to chapter number 10. Okay? Good morning, dear children. So, dear children, we have completed our half yearly syllabus up to chapter number 9. Okay? I hope you have completed all your work till chapter number 9. Okay? Do it as fast as you can because your half yearly exams are coming. Okay, so you have to be prepared for your half yearly exams. Okay, so today we are moving to chapter number 10. Okay, so we are starting your annual syllabus from chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 is Up in the Sky. Okay, so dear children, as you all are aware of your surrounding, okay, you are aware of the plants, animals, objects and this environment. Okay, so as you know that above us there is a huge sky, okay, which changes its colors according to the seasons. Okay, sometimes it is blue, sometimes it is red, sometimes it is filled with clouds, sometimes it is filled with light and bright, and sometimes it is dark, okay, filled with the light of moon. So today we are going to learn about the sky, okay, what is in the sky. We are not able to see some things from our eyes, okay, because we are living on the earth, we are living in the earth, okay, and the sky has so much things in it, okay. The sky has the moon, the sun, the stars, and these stars are far away from us, okay. So today we will learn about our sky, okay. So let us start our chapter first with the reading and then with the explanation of each and every topic. Now let us start the reading of our topic, the sun and the solar system. During the day, we see the sun in the sky. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. The sun makes the day warm and bright. On rainy or cloudy day, we cannot see the sun. The sun helps living things to live. It helps them to grow. The sun appears to rise in the east and sets in the west. The sun appears to be alone in the sky, but it is not so. The sun is surrounded by many objects that move around it. Among the many objects that move around the sun, there are 8 large planets. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. As you can see, the picture shows a bright day, and the sun has filled its brightness all over the environment. We see the sun during the day, and the sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. As you can see in the picture, the sun looks like a ball of a gas or a ball of fire. There is a short video which shows that a ball or a sun burns like a ball. When the sun shines bright in the sky, the day is warm and bright. As you can see in the picture, it is a bright and sunny day. But when the sky is filled with clouds, the day becomes dark and we cannot see the sun. The sun hides behind the cloud and we cannot see the sun. As you can see, during the rainy season, there are clouds everywhere. So the sky is filled with clouds everywhere and it is dark everywhere. Okay, so this is rainy season. Okay, so we cannot see the sun during the rainy season or when the sky is filled with clouds. The sun helps living things to live and grow. Okay, the living things get energy from sun and then they grow, like plants and human beings. We need the energy of sun to grow, and plants also need energy of sun to grow. When they will get energy, then only we will get food from plants. Sun is the main source of energy for living beings, and the sun appears to rise in the east and sets in the west. Okay, sun rises in the morning from the east direction and the sun sets in the evening in the west direction. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, this picture can be of sunrise and sunset. Both the views of sunrise and sunset are same. You observe different times of the day. When you observe in the morning, when the sun rises, the view is like this. Okay, and when the sun sets in the evening, the view is similar. Okay, but only the difference is the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We always feel that there is only one sun, one moon, and stars in the sky. But this is not so. There are so many stars and so many planets in the solar system. As you can see in the picture, different types of planets are shown. These all are in the sky, and these together form our solar system. What they are called? They are called solar system. Okay. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun and 8 planets together form the solar system.
They revolve around the sun in definite orbits.
So this was about the chapter Up in the Sky and our topic the sun and the solar system. We read about different planets and about sun and moon in the sky. Okay, and we learned that there are 8 planets in our solar system and they form our solar system. Okay, so tomorrow we will learn about day and night, how a day and night occurs, and about moon. Okay,